Devil ray. Devil rays, also known as mobulid rays, are a group of large, filter-feeding rays belonging to the family Mobulidae. They are closely related to manta rays and belong to the same order, Miliobatiformes, within the class Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes. Devil rays are known for their distinctive appearance and behavior. Key characteristics of devil rays include: Number 1. Large size. Devil rays are generally quite large, with some species having wingspans that can reach up to 23 feet, 7 meters, or more. Number 2. Distinctive shape. They have a flattened body shape with wide pectoral fins that resemble wings. Their body is diamond-shaped, and their snout is elongated. Number 3. Filter feeding. Like their relatives, the manta rays, devil rays are filter feeders. They primarily feed on plankton and small organisms by swimming with their mouths open to catch drifting prey. They have specialized structures called gill rakers that help them filter out food from the water. Number 4. Coloration. Devil rays often have dark dorsal surfaces and lighter ventral surfaces. The coloration can vary between species. Number 5. Behavior. Devil rays are known for their acrobatic behavior, which includes leaping out of the water and slapping the surface with their wings. The reason for this behavior is not entirely understood, but it could be related to communication, feeding, or other social interactions. Number 6. Habitat. These rays are found in oceans worldwide, usually in tropical and temperate waters. They can be found in both coastal and open ocean environments. Some common species of devil rays include the giant devil ray and the spiny-tailed devil ray, Mobula japonica. These rays are not considered dangerous to humans and are generally harmless. However, like many other marine species, they can be threatened by human activities such as overfishing, accidental bycatch, and habitat destruction. Devil rays, like many marine species, face various biological challenges that can impact their survival and population dynamics. Some of the key biological challenges that devil rays encounter include: Number 1. Slow reproduction. Devil rays tend to have low reproductive rates, which makes them vulnerable to overfishing and other population stressors. They typically have long gestation periods and give birth to relatively few offspring. For example, many species of devil rays give birth to only 1 or 2 pups at a time, and these pups are born relatively large and fully developed. This slow reproductive rate means that it takes a long time for populations to recover from declines. Number 2. Habitat requirements. Devil rays have specific habitat requirements, and changes in their environment can have a significant impact on their survival. They rely on healthy ocean ecosystems with abundant plankton populations for food. Habitat degradation, pollution, and climate change can disrupt these ecosystems and affect the availability of food resources. Number 3. Accidental bycatch. Devil rays often get caught unintentionally in fishing gear intended for other species, a phenomenon known as accidental bycatch. This can occur in both commercial and artisanal fisheries. Bycatch can result in injury or death for devil rays, contributing to population declines. The use of fishing gear modifications and practices that reduce bycatch is important for their conservation. Number 4. Hunting and trade. Historically, devil rays were targeted for their gill plates, which were believed to have medicinal properties in some cultures. Although international regulations have been put in place to protect these rays from overexploitation, illegal hunting and trade can still occur in certain regions, putting additional pressure on their populations. Number 5. Lack of awareness. Devil rays are not as well studied or recognized as some other marine species, which can lead to a lack of awareness about their conservation status and their threats they face. Public awareness and scientific research are essential for informing conservation efforts and policy decisions. Number 6. Climate change. climate change can have profound effects on the ocean environment, including shifts in temperature, ocean currents, and plankton distribution. These changes can impact the availability of food resources and alter the habitats that devil rays rely